This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download GitHub. So GitHub Desktop, you can find it right here at desktop.github.com/download. Now, I'll include that link in the video description just below, so you can wind up straight here on the main download page of GitHub Desktop. So it will know what operating system you're on. Now, I'm on Mac OS, so this is correct. And it's offering me the Apple Silicon version, which is perfect for me. Now, if you want to download a different version, now if you're on Windows, it will say download for Windows, but you can download an alternative version just by clicking one of these options here. So maybe you want the version for the Intel chips on Mac, or maybe you want the Windows version. You've got those options there. So you will now click the big download button, the big white download button. I will click download for Apple Silicon. And just like that, you see the icon fly up in the right hand corner. Now, depending on what browser you have, you will find the installer in the folder that your browser actually stores its downloads in. Now, I'm on Google Chrome, so it goes straight to my downloads folder. Hopefully you found this video on how to download GitHub Desktop useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel.